Hello folks, and today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the ukulele because I am completely qualified in every way, shape, and form. And this stick, just pay no mind to it, it's just my boom for my microphone. Dude, can you just cue the intro?
Do you know the Huttermandan? Of course you don't. It's an alias.
Welcome back folks, this is the part of the video where you actually learn something. Just kidding, you don't learn anything in the whole entirety of this video. Today I'm going to teach you the song Lava because it's amazing! And because most of you wanted to learn that song when you picked up the ukulele. So, let's get into it. But first, cue the intro.
Come on, hit it, man.
Do you know the Huttermandan? Of course you don't. It's an alias.
The chord progression for the first verse of Lava is C twice, G7 twice, F twice, C once, G7 twice. If you're confused, Google it. The chord progression for the chorus, I don't actually know it because choruses are just overrated. Strumming hand position. Very, very important thing to know. Handshake. Very, very awkward handshake. Plant that on the ukulele and strum to your heart's content. The strumming pattern is simple. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Is that vague? Is that confusing? Yes. What should you do about it? Google it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and if you don't know how to do that, I would suggest Googling it. Outro time!
Outros are kind of lame. I think I'm just going to cue them.
Do you know the Huttermandan? Of course you don't. It's an alias.